girl.
Regular Jimmy Fallon.
The point was I could see myself.
Well, a big part of the message from the man who grew up to be president was
Yeah, she's
there
gonna
can
like
be
the
no
water.
excuses.
Where'd she go?
She's right here.
Oh, there she is. She's so dark, I couldn't even see her.
Gonna have a ball.
One participant at today's event said he's never seen the president lay himself bare